Hello and welcome. As a team, we are passionate about learning and ensuring that yoga is delivered in the correct form. So we selected the challenge set of global causes to create a micro-credential for YogFront. Our team members include myself, Aafiyah Sohel Degani as the project leader, Sepehr Alipour as the mobile application developer, and Victor Margheriti as the project designer. We are addressing the problem that is today's digital age enables yoga teachers to get certified without enough knowledge. Due to not being able to deliver the correct standards required for a well-rounded, beneficial yoga practice to society, employment in this field is reducing.
We are targeting individuals with an interest in teaching yoga, potential practitioners who through our application would be awarded regulated micro-credentials to be able to spread their credible yogic knowledge to society. YogFront would benefit from this application as they would be able to assess potential yoga teachers and empower them to serve the society through right practices, as this is what they stand for. The solution we propose is to create a standardized assessment through an application, Yogzi, which will determine a yoga teacher's true skill level to eventually grant a micro-credential. Our biggest competitor, or potentially our biggest collaborator, Yoga Alliance, is a platform with similar concepts that sets the standards to provide professionals with the required yoga qualifications.
In this application, we provided micro-credential and assessment at the same time, which means that when user registered in application by third-party authentication like Google, Facebook, or Twitter, at first they need to upload the certification that achieved before to authorize the valid information. Application has 4 sections for users. The first one is course section that user can access advanced courses with professional content. After each course, the user should be evaluated by asking some question or asking for designing some class for a specific group of people. For example, after learning the asana, they should pass the questions and then they move forward to virtual assessment. This part is the most important part that AI can help us to evaluate the posture of users by capturing the body movement and checking the user posture with the exact correct posture. The second section of the application is the user profile and setting of the application. They can give more information about themselves to have accurate data for analyzing the user. Also, they are able to change the notification settings. And the third section is designed to check the notification that the system sent to the user. The last part of the application is the daily content that the administration posts to all users. Building out our app through JavaScript's React library and utilizing React Native to create the mobile applications, we can ensure scalability in the long term and tackle any potential issues that may arise from backward incompatibility, and also stay ahead of the curve by being easily able to release updates for the future release of new technologies. An integral part of our assessment is the motion capturing aspect using an ML kit for pose detection, and although further testing is required, potential issues could arise from inaccurate Z coordinates for the body landmark positioning. The Google company is a pioneer in machine learning tools that assist us to detect positions by TensorFlow platform, which is a powerful tool for image processing and pose estimation in this case. Also, if we have more dataset images for training and testing, more accuracy gain to recognize different positions.
The few challenges faced during our journey were that we had limited comparison as this is currently a growing market, getting enough information without having excess as yoga has evolved throughout the years. Lastly, time constraints and coordination affected our overall output. Although we had challenges, we learned through the experience. Managing and refraining from overachieving, as well as time management and teamwork, was something we built on throughout our journey. We'd like to conclude by saying there is considerable potential in this application. It would ease the process of teacher selection, societal relief, and improve employment. Future potential can be developed to assess teachers on other fronts and collaborate with yoga schools for improved assessments. So thank you and hope you value Yogzi as much as we do.